Hi friends, I'm here with a rich and creamy paneer butter masala recipe. So let's get started. For that add 1 tablespoon butter. To that add 3 chopped onion. You can roughly chop it. Sort them well until it is translucent. To that add 1 teaspoon salt. Now add 3 chopped garlic, a inch piece ginger and 10 dried red chilies. Now add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. After a minute, add a cup of cashew nuts. Saute them for 5 minutes. Now transfer to a bowl. After cooling down completely, grind them to a fine paste. To the same pan, add paneer and some oil. I have taken here nearly 20 cubes. Now cook them for 3 minutes. Now to undercooker, add 3 tablespoon oil. To that add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and saute them for few seconds. Make sure that you do not burn them. To that add our paste. Mix them well. Add some water to it. Add a teaspoon garam masala and salt each. Now add our half-cooked paneer cubes. Mix them well. Add a tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors of spices. Cover the cooker and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add a cup of chopped coriander leaves and mix them well. Our rich and creamy paneer butter masala is ready. Hope you all enjoy it. You can serve it with naan or chapathi. Please do subscribe and like.